Oh, it's just really nice being able to hang out like this again.
Gross. As happy as I am for you guys to be back to normal, I'm going to need a disclaimer before I see any of this going on in public.
Now, how would you like it if we said, ooh, gross, every time that you were hanging out with Byron?
Well, lucky for you, I'm going to now have to suggest that Byron and I go somewhere else for drinks. I don't want to see this.
Love you, sweetie.
Love you more when you keep the romance to the privacy of your own bedroom. Yeah?
Okay, well, where were we?
We need to find somewhere else to hang out.
Why? I like the Waterhole.
Oh, because my parents are making out like they're teenagers, and well, yes, I'm happy for them, but it's a bit much.
Hey, look, I need to tell you about something.
That is a very orange car. Is that Holly?
It certainly looks like Holly.
Ta-da! My new ride! Isn't she amazing?
I thought you were looking at secondhand hatchback.
It was secondhand.
Yeah, it's a funny looking hatchback.
I love it, okay? Nobody cuts you off in traffic when you're in one of these. Is this some quarter-life crisis we need to worry about? I've just seen how fragile life can be, and I've decided that I'm going to make the most of it.
So you're spending every last cent you earn on petrol for this monster?
No, babe, it's a hybrid. And I'm going to travel, and I'm going to have adventures, just me and my four-wheel drive out on the great open road, not a care in the world. It's going to be amazing. Whatever. Can you guys take a photo of me? I'm going to send it to Mac and Hats.
Sure.